Alright guys, so today we're going to strip down the trailer I bought for my dad. We're going to strip down the entire deck and basically get it ready for next spring to get redone and hopefully repainted and just new everything. It's been through a lot. The winch barely works as it is. It's just completely destroyed. I mean, all the water that's been down in there and whatever else. So maybe we can rebuild it, maybe we can't. I'm not really sure what's going to go on, but the deck it needs to come off, and it needs new lights and just a bunch of other stuff. So we're gonna strip it down, at least the wood today, and I'm gonna hopefully use the wood to make like a nice desk in my garage. Alright, so I think it's like -9 today, so it's actually kind of warm up here in Alaska. We got to move some snow, so we're going to try and get the truck started and move it. We're catching air from the back of the tank somewhere, and we're going to try and fix that and get it moved and get it started. We do have a block heater for it. That's about all we got though, so it kind of sucks. Hopefully this will be able to keep it warm. Last time I checked, it was keeping it at like 50, so it's not too bad. All right, so the hood is actually frozen. It froze from melting the snow off top, and it froze this entire line here. And I have no idea if this hood will open. So I'm gonna try it out here. Yeah, no. There we go. It's so heavy, the hood. It's I gotta break some more off. There's a whole layer on this thing. All right, -9, I'm really feeling it right now, but the block is still hot from the walk heater. Thank goodness that thing's actually working, because I didn't know if it was going to or not. And the issue that we were having is right here. This thing down here, our water and fuel separator, was catching air. Doesn't seem like it is now. So maybe when we try and start this thing, it'll start up nicely. But I highly doubt it. There's like no power steering fluid left in this thing. Everything is leaking out of this thing. It's ridiculous. Yeah. Alright, I'll go grab the keys and see what happens. Alright, so let's see if this thing starts. I highly doubt it. Aren't you enjoying the Alaskan weather? Alright, well, let's see here. Let's see if the good old girl will start up, eh? Alright, so temp is 60 degrees. That's impressive. Blockader's keeping it really warm. We got fuel. Oil is very, very, well, I mean, we're not running, so that's fine. All right, let's try it out.
Give it gas.
Well, the thing is I think one of the injectors are bad. So, here, you try and start it. Ugh. I will go over here. Go for it. Yeah, we're not even getting any fuel at all, I don't think. All right. I'm gonna have to just crack the injectors and try that. All right, we're gonna try it with the injectors cracked, see if we're getting fuel at all. Go for it. All right, stop. All right, go ahead and give that a shot. -9 degrees. It started. Woohoo! Oh yeah. All right. Well, let's give this a shot, eh? All right. So I think that's 4 high right there. Pretty sure. All right. Spot. Am I dragging a wheel or something? Oh boy, hang on, I might be leaking something. Alright, so it's like -11. It's getting colder out here. The truck's still catching air. I backed it up a little bit. I cleared all this spot out to bring it back here. And I started hearing it die out a little bit, so I was scared. So I brought it back up, and as soon as I brought it back up and parked it, it quit. So the water and fuel separator is still catching air somehow. I'm not sure exactly where or what is catching. Like there's a pinhole somewhere, but yeah, I mean, -11 is probably not helping it either. And it's cold. So we're gonna head back in the shop and go do something there because it's way too cold out here. Hopefully this shoe will be done before summer hits and I can get the trailer fixed up. I can get all that stuff fixed up and get her all ready to go. But yeah, -11, the truck will start pretty well actually because that block heater works wonders. Like I touched the block and it was warm to the touch, so it is nice, but it is still super cold up here. Oh goodness. But yeah, so we got the shop pretty much ready to go. Mel got me a few things for Christmas. So when you walk in, the board, poster board and all that, she got me this beautiful little like, I don't even know how to explain what it is. It's a stool, but you pull this little switch here, it turns into like a creeper, so that's pretty nice. I built that one for whatever reason. Got the nice trailer wood all good to go here. My printers, Mel painted me that. She bought me these. I got all my tools and all that stuff, just don't mind the mess. And then I got all my wall over here, all my tools, other stuff, my nice DeWalt set of things, and the wall. So the plan is to finish this. I'll stick the welder over here somewhere, get all that figured out. I want to stick a nice like cabinet here, like one of those big metal ones, and then when I get my safe, I'll stick it here. And then, you know, all the little stuff will go everywhere. But for the most part, she is set up correctly how I want it. I can get the truck in here and tear it apart or do whatever I want. And yeah, this will be HQ for a little bit of time here. We printed out stickers and on the website and all that we started, absurdautomotive.com. I'll show you that in a minute, but the hat I ordered, I did like a test order, and this works out really, really nice. You can see all the beautiful stitching is done. It's actually a decent quality hat. It's not the best in the world, but it is really comfortable. It's actually a lot nicer than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be some cheap crap, because I don't actually touch the product. I use a different source, and they print it out and send it to you guys if you want it. So the link will be in the bio, absurdautomotive.com. If you guys want to get anything, I'll show you the website here so you actually know exactly what you're looking at. All right, so here's absurdautomotive.com. If you guys can see it up here, it is the full absurdautomotive.com. And you can go through the YouTube here as well and all of that. So I think I'm gonna be able to link the website to the YouTube. I'm not too sure yet. I haven't really tried, but got all the products in here as a homepage. If you go to shop all, you get my signature hat, some really nice hoodies, shirts, stickers, all this fun stuff. This is all a new thing for me, but I have used a lot of these brands, and I'm hoping that they actually turn out really, really well. Like, I know my signature hat is one of my favorite brands, the Flex Fit, I think it's called. But I've had a hat that I've worn for pretty much the whole channel. It's that all black with the diamond on here, the Octane Fuel one, the motorcycle one I picked up a while back. So if you guys want any of this, it's on the website. I'll be starting to work on everything a lot more now that I have a shop set up, and it is starting to warm up. It's not -40 out. It's only -11, so it's not that bad. It's still terrible. But we will get everything in motion from now on and get you guys, once it's warm enough for me, get you guys some weekly content and do some really fun stuff, hopefully. All right, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.